Types of matrix. Square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns is called as square matrix. Number of rows and number of columns is equal to 3. So, it is an square matrix of order 3. In this example, number of rows and number of columns is equal to 2. So, it is an square matrix of order 2. In this example, number of rows and number of columns is equal to 4. So, it is an square matrix of order 4. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. In this example, all elements except diagonal elements are 0. So, it is an diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal. Then it is called as scalar matrix. In this example, all diagonal elements are equal to 5 and remaining elements are equal to 0. So, it is an scalar matrix. Identity matrix. A square matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal to 1 and remaining elements are 0 are called as identity matrix.